Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell courses on Coursera. It's important to understand that Coursera primarily operates through partnerships with established universities and organizations. This means individual creators generally cannot upload and sell courses directly. Instead, you would typically work through one of their partner institutions. We'll explore how this model works and discuss other avenues for independent course creators. Coursera's core business model relies on strong partnerships with over 300 leading universities and companies globally. These partners are responsible for developing and delivering the course content, which often includes professional certificates and even full degrees. This collaborative approach helps maintain a high standard of quality and academic rigor across the platform. Instructors on Coursera are typically affiliated with these partner institutions. If you aspire to teach on Coursera, the most common path is to become an instructor through one of their partner universities or organizations. This means you would be part of an institution that already has an agreement with Coursera. Your role would involve contributing to or developing courses under your institution's umbrella. This indirect route enables you to leverage Coursera's vast reach, connecting with millions of learners worldwide. For independent creators looking to sell courses directly, several excellent alternative platforms exist. Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable are popular choices that allow you to create, host, and market your courses without needing an institutional partnership. These platforms offer various tools and support, giving you greater control over your content and pricing. They provide a direct avenue to reach a wide audience and monetize your expertise.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.